Tesla reports almost 423,000 vehicles delivered in Q1 2023. Tesla reported deliveries of an impressive 422,875 vehicles in Q1 2023, slightly above analysts' expectations. The company produced 440,808 vehicles, underlining the increase in its factory's productivity. Tesla has set a new quarterly delivery record. In the first quarter of 2023, the company was able to deliver 422,875 vehicles. Analysts expected delivery of about 421,000 vehicles and only slightly underestimated the manufacturer. This is a good indicator that analysts are getting more and more accurate in their assessment of the company's capabilities, compared to the recent constant underestimation. This underscores that Tesla's production capacity expansion is proceeding at a steady pace, ensuring its continued growth. Of the 440,808 cars produced, 421,371 were Model 3, Y and 19,437 were Model S. X production increased by 44.2% compared to Q1 2022. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Teslanews. My take: Tesla keeps performing well, while the Big Four are circling the drain.